Good morning this Wednesday, the 5th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Over in the US on Tuesday, Wall Street closed higher as investors shifted focus from Trump's trade wars to fourth quarter earnings results. The Nasdaq rose 1.35%, the S&P 500 gained 0.72%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up 0.3%. Palantir, the big data analytics software provider, soared 24% on Tuesday to become a $200 billion company after posting Q4 results that topped expectations. In Europe overnight, markets closed mostly higher amid Trump's tariffs being paused with Mexico and Canada, and on the back of strong key corporate earnings results out in the region. The STOXX 600 rose 0.3%, Germany's DAX added 0.4%, the French CAC climbed 0.7%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.15%. Across the APAC region on Tuesday, markets rallied as China retaliated to Trump's tariffs by slapping tariffs on US imports between 10% to 15% for certain goods. Hong Kong's Seng rose 2.83%, Japan's Nikkei added 0.72%, South Korea's Kospi index climbed 1.13%, and China's CSI index remained closed for the Lunar holiday. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 posted just a slight loss of 0.06% as investors responded to Trump's tariffs on China coming into effect late in the afternoon of trade, and the retaliation by Beijing placing 10 to 15% tariff on certain goods from the US. On Monday, Trump suspended tariffs on Mexico and Canada as discussions between the regions began, while the tariffs in China came into effect late on Tuesday Australian time. Tech stocks offset some of the heavy losses yesterday, though, with a gain for the sector of 1.52%, while REIT and consumer discretionary stocks fell 1.06% and 0.76% respectively. Online jobs advertisement platform SEG's proposed acquisition of XREF for the value of $42.1 million fell through yesterday, which is not really heard of in the market after XREF shareholders voted against the bid of the takeover. Shares in XREF tumbled 22.6% yesterday, while shares in SEG fell just 0.2%. Crop protection solution producer Nufarm rallied over 3% on Tuesday after reporting a positive trading update, including the expectation to achieve $100 million from its omega-3 revenue in FY25, and its belt-tightening program for cost-cutting remains on track with $50 million of annualized savings so far. On the commodities front this morning, oil has slipped to trade 0.7% lower at $72.65 a barrel. Gold is up 1.04% at $2,843 an ounce, so well and truly in record territory. And iron ore is up 3.38% at $105 and just 2 cents a tonne. The Aussie dollar has strengthened overnight against the greenback to buy 62.53 US cents, 96.41 Japanese yen, 50.04 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.64%, tracking Wall Street's rebound overnight. On the reporting season calendar today, BWP Trust will release results. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased a 12-month price target on Nufarm from $4.25 to $4.35 and maintain a buy rating on the crop protection company following the release of the FY25 trading update. The analyst sees it has been a pleasing start to FY25 with stronger levels of demand for crop protection products, and the company remains on track to deliver $100 million in omega-3 revenues this year. The company is also on track to reduce working capital by 25 days per year end. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Cleanaway waste management following the formation of a pattern over a period of just 15 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $2.70 to the range of $2.63 to $2.65, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this Wednesday. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.